Hello and welcome to Healthy Living with Dr. Julie. Today I'd like to share with you a tip about bad cholesterol. Is it really bad and is it dangerous? So I had a patient that came in and they were very concerned about their cholesterol, the bad cholesterol. So I shared with them about the importance and the function of cholesterol. Cholesterol has a purpose in our body, and we have to understand the physiology of why cholesterol and how cholesterol plays a role in our health. Why does we have cholesterol that are high? And that bad cholesterol that your doctor is telling you, the LDL, is the name that quote unquote is bad, is actually a protein. And if you can picture a construction car, a truck that takes the material to and from the site where it needs to build, in this situation, the cell. So if the body is needing the cholesterol, then the protein called HDL will take the cholesterol to the area where our body needs them. When it's done, any excess of that cholesterol, the body returns it back to the liver via the LDL, which a lot of people are familiar with as the bad cholesterol. So it is not bad, it is not good, it is just a transporter that takes the cholesterol to and from the liver. So if our body is having high LDL, we should ask the question of, why is the body holding on to the cholesterol and not returning it to the liver and then converting it into bile in the gallbladder, where it stores the bile in the gallbladder, So it goes to the liver, then it converts that excess cholesterol to bile. And then it stores that bile in the gallbladder so that we could then dissolve the greasy food that we eat. So if our body is not returning, which is the LDL, which brings that high cholesterol back to the liver, the excess, then we need to ask the question, one, are we under stress? Usually stress is the number one cause that requires the body to maintain, kind of like when we're running for a lion for our lives, our body needs to be prepared for having that cholesterol available should we get injured or whatever. The body is prepared, kind of first aid responder, to have these available. And if we don't need it anymore, then the body naturally will bring it back. So the question would be, is there an infection somewhere in the body that causes the body to maintain that cholesterol in the blood to make it accessible? And number two, are we under stress? So basically, it's our lifestyle to really help address the LDL. If we have high LDL, we need to ask ourselves, what is going on in our body that causes the body to hold on to that cholesterol and not bringing it back to the liver? So there's no good or bad cholesterol. It is a transporter. And there's, I will put the link below to the research that shows that high cholesterol is not dangerous. As a matter of fact, it's the opposite. Low cholesterol actually causes more danger. So it is shown to have memory loss, increased memory loss if we have too low of a cholesterol. Also, our immune function decreases as well. And There is also research that shows low cholesterol actually increases the tendency for violence. And another one is that low cholesterol have an increased chance of infection, so you're prone to get infection. And then last, these are just a few of the research, is increase the chance of cancer. Again, I will put the link for the study in the comment description. And so again, cholesterol has a purpose. Our brain needs cholesterol. Our cells needs cholesterol. Cholesterol is serving a purpose. And if we have a high LDL, we should ask, why isn't the body returning excess cholesterol back to the liver? Because that's what LDL is. It's not bad. It's not good. It's just that it's not bringing it back to the liver. So we need to ask why. And the question is, are we under stress? Or there's an infection somewhere within the body? Because if it is, that's what the body needs cholesterol for. So I hope this video helped you to understand a little bit better about cholesterol, that the LDL is not bad and the HDL is not good. It is the protein acting as a transporter, like a truck taking the cholesterol to and from the liver to the area. And if it's high, the LDL is high, we need to ask ourselves, what is going on within our body? Are we having an infection? If not, is our life under stress? If it's under stress, what are some of the things that we could do to mitigate that? 3 things that you could do to reduce stress is take a deep breath through the nose, 3 deep breaths, okay? And count, you can do 4 inhale and 4 exhale. So go 4 release. We can walk in nature, in the park, at the beach, the ocean. And the 3rd, we can listen to calm music, bird chirping, the oceans, the waves. Or another one would be watch a comedy show that make us laugh. That will help reduce the stress. Okay? And so I hope this video helped you. And if you find this information helpful, make sure to subscribe and click like. Thank you.